glorious mountains, beautiful landscapes, flowing rivers, traditional delicacies, and smiling faces with big hearts defines Pakistan, a developing nation which holds a strong heritage and cultural background. Pakistan is home to nearly 216 million people, majority of whom live in poverty. Out of 10, every fourth person is deprived of basic needs for living. Population boom, illiteracy, hunger, political instability, rampant corruption, poor healthcare, and lack of opportunities, along with frequent national catastrophes, have resulted in massive poverty. To overcome these gaps, a team of diligent professionals at Marine Group of Companies got together to offer solutions for poverty alleviation and sustainability creation in the rural communities of Pakistan. Marine Group of Companies is a renowned business conglomerate established in 1964. The group is mainly associated to cargo handling and logistics. Formed as a CSR initiative of Marine Group of Companies, Organization for Social Development Initiatives was formally registered on 13th October 2009 under the Trust Act 1882 as a non-profit organization in Karachi.
OSDI is different from other organizations because it is primarily funded by one corporate, and we work with local population, we motivate them, we mobilize them, and we provide the required inputs which make their livelihoods more sustainable and much more improved than what they are used to. We see a great improvement not just in their current standard of living, but also in terms of asset creation, in terms of their nutritional intake, in terms of their water intake and water availability, not just for crops but for drinking as well.
Ever since its inception, this NGO has helped improve the lives of more than 57,355 vulnerable people living in the rural areas of Pakistan. OSDI has worked in 175 villages from 7 districts of Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan. These districts include Shikarpur, Khairpur, Jacobabad, Matiari, Thatta, Mardan, and Lasbela. Over the years, OSDI has been successful in bridging the gap created between the government and stakeholders, especially when it comes to creation of sustainability within the rural class. From the learnings obtained after trial and error, we have learned that economic prosperity, capacity building, and asset creation is the key to success for poverty alleviation. Increase in monthly income and decrease in monthly expenses enables a person to generate some savings which can be further utilized in overcoming the debt traps, illiteracy, malnutrition, and social instability. The second key element to inculcate positive social change is to motivate and empower the people to be the change they want to see.
OSTI is basically a policy think tank working on eradication of poverty from past 10 years. The programs are defined in such a manner which enables poor beneficiaries to increase their yield with a condition if they are farmers, and to have a healthy livestock and to become a good entrepreneur. All these components are grant based, and they are supported with trainings from trained professionals. Alongside, OSTI is also catering for primary education of the rural belt, and approximately 1,000 plus kids are presently studying in OSTI's built temporary learning centers in rural Balochistan, KPK, and Sindh.
OSDI offers three-pronged approach towards poverty alleviation as per the Sustainable Development Goals highlighted by the United Nations. Livelihood Assistance Program, Community Development Program, and Food Security Program. Each of these approaches has been further divided into projects.
मर्दान में OSDI एक कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है और पिछले कई सालों से ये सोशल सेक्टर में मुख्तलिफ खदमात सरअंजाम दे रहे हैं। हमारी जो कोरोना पेंडेमिक थी इस दौरान जो OSDI की खदमात हैं वो बिल्कुल काबिल सताइश हैं।
Livelihood Assistance Program, for instance, aims to uplift the rural communities through providing massive opportunities for economic uplift, asset creation, and capacity building of the beneficiaries. Under Livelihood Assistance Program, OSDI has facilitated 1968 farmers to yield 6,669 acres of farmland for various crops such as cotton, rice, wheat, sugarcane, and maize in its agricultural development project.
Peri 3 एकड़ ज़मीन peri निकरंदा 20 मन 25 हींअर तव्हां ॾिनो कपास ॿिज ॿियो इहो वो माना DAP यूरिया हुन मां 75 मण निकितो ॿियो गंदम 3 मण मां 40 मण बि कोन निकिरंदा हींअर तव्हां ॾिनो शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
In Livestock Development Project, 408 beneficiaries have been facilitated with 1,126 animals for herd increase, milking, and income generation. These animals include cows, buffaloes, oxen, goats, etc.
زاد بهذا غريب ما او يجي ولا مثلا امدادكم مال ادباب بزيرا کړي اغلين کې یو نه بچا خرڅ کړي 5000 روپے اسمه کې لمه تو کوم راوړې یو بچو ولار دې اپي بي ام بلار بي اور دیر بهذا غريب ما الله پاک دې دوی چې کې دوی دا غاړي ما دا غاړي اور سلام دې.
Small Rural Enterprise Project enables the unemployed and educated youth to initiate their own small businesses through provision of grants. Nearly 42 males and females have been supported over the years to open grocery stores, electric spare part shops, tailoring stores, or ride rickshaws.
OSDI ने मेहरबानी जे कारोबार खोले ॾिनो और इन जे बावजूद 2500-3000 सेल छे तो और अल्लाह शुक्र पहिरीं नंढो दुकान हाणे वॾो दुकान बन्यो.
Community Development Program aims to contribute towards capacity building and empowering the local community members to work as active partners with OSDI.
मंथली और क्वार्टरली मीटिंग होते हैं और इसके अलावा OSDI की तरफ से एक गांव है अरब सेरे, मतलब आप लोग जब देखेंगे तो आपको पता चले कि वहाँ पे पहाड़ है और ये मतलब आगे गाड़ी नहीं जा सकते, पैदल लोग चले जाते हैं. तो उस गांव में भी इन्होंने एक स्कूल बनाए हुए हैं और इसके अलावा बेजाद बांडा एक गांव है वहाँ पे भी इन लोगों ने मतलब एक स्कूल बनाए है. और इसके अलावा NCHD के साथ ये फीडर स्कूल इल्ताबाद है, वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग की ज़रूरत है. तो इन लोगों ने वहाँ का सर्वे भी किया हुआ है और फ्यूचर में मतलब ये वहाँ पे एक बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे और इसके अलावा NCHD और OSDI फ्यूचर में इंशाल्लाह जॉइंटली काम करेंगे.
Till date, 34 educational facilities are being run or supported by OSDI alongside the local district governments to overcome the illiteracy issues. 3,569 out-of-school children are mainly able to avail quality education at these OSDI schools in our focused communities.
OSDI एक्चुअली 2017 में हमारे पास इस ज़िला में आई और हमारे साथ जब इनका कांटेक्ट हुआ और जब उन्होंने कहा कि हम UCYR में जो है वो काम करना चाहते हैं तो हमने इनको वेलकम किया और UCYR के ख़ास तौर से हमारे पास जो स्कूल खस्ता हाल थे उनमें इनको कहा कि इनमें आप काम करें, हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा.
13 adult learners are also being educated in one of our adult literacy classes in TLC of Chipsheikh. OSDI has constructed 7 feeder schools for NCHD in District Lasbela and facilitated 19 schools with basic classroom equipment. Lives of 64,937 people have improved under OSDI's healthcare project due to the treatment, counseling, deworming, and provision of free medicines to beneficiaries across all our focus districts. Amongst the many healthcare projects being run by OSDI, few are School-Based Deworming Project, Hepatitis Prevention and Control Project, Maternal and Child Healthcare, Organizing Free General Medical Camps, etc. 48,954 people have been trained under Health and Hygiene Awareness Program, which aims to train beneficiaries about basic hygiene practices such as hand wash before and after every meal, especially after defecation, brush teeth twice a day, take bath daily, trim nails every week, or keep hair clean. To overcome the water scarcity issues and provide easy access to safe drinking water, 12 water facilities have been dug in various communities of District Mardan and Lasbela. These facilities shall help improve the lives of 3,389 people under OSDI's Eradication of Water Poverty project.
अच्छा असां वॾी तकलीफ़ हुई अच्छा पाणी जे लाइ वॾी तकलीफ़ ते पाणी जे लाइ असीं 2 किलोमीटर वियासीं ते असां हाणे जेको असां पाणी मिलियो सवालात थिए असां फसल पंहिंजो लॻो असां का मजबूरी कान हेर इलाही महिरबानी आहे इहो जेको असां फसल मिलियो पंहिंजो महिनत करियूं था शौक़ु थियो.
Besides this, 954 households of district Shikarpur, Khairpur and Matiari have been facilitated with live straw water filters. 68 lifesaver jerry cans have been distributed in various communities. 1795 families have been provided with aqua tablets for water purification purposes. To lower the climatic temperature and contribute in beautification of the focused communities, OSDI has planted 4,168 fruit and non-fruit trees in the districts of Lasbela, Thatta and Mardan under the Natural Resource Management Project. Seeing our commitment, 50 fruit trees were planted by the local community members in District Lasbela. Infrastructure plays a vital role in progressive development of a community. Over the years, OSDI has built link roads, toilets, sewage lines, and soil bank to protect the local communities. Renovation and reconstruction of emergency ward in district headquarter hospital of Lasbela was the biggest and much in demand project of OSDI.
Emergency में especially जो आपने काउंटर बनाया है, जो renovate करवाया है, beds, screens, oxygen concentrator, instrument, तो definitely ये एक बहुत बड़ा helping hand था.
Food security program weaves a food safety net around the vulnerable households, providing them an easy to access and readily available fresh and nutritious vegetables, fruits, and poultry or dairy products. In Kitchen Garden project, 1640 beneficiaries have been supported to cultivate vegetables or fruits on 4,09,974 square feet of land.
सब्जियूं बाज़ार मां ईंदा 3-4 हज़ार जो ख़र्चो हूंदो हाणे असीं सब्जियूं पंहिंजूं लॻाईंदा आहियूं OSDI जो शुक्रगुज़ार आहियां जंहिं असांखे सब्जियूं लॻाइण जो तरीक़ो ॾिनो ऐं ॿिज जो मसाला असीं थोरे घणे मां पंहिंजो फ़ाइदो वठी सघां था.
2,400 poultry birds have been distributed to 80 households in district Matiari under the poultry farming project. 32 female-headed households have been supported with 16 does and 16 buffaloes in district Matiari under the livestock distribution project.
With all the programs concurrently running in rural areas, we see what I call a 3D effect. So every program basically is designed to bring about an improvement in that particular subject. It gives a lot of hope to the new generation in the rural economies because it provides hopes to those people who have been living there for generations and who really don't have an opportunity for alternate livelihoods because of either lack of employment opportunities or lack of education in those areas.
Let's take small steps to bring big changes. Let's improve lives together as one nation.